Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today is all about exporting. I'll show you how to export a YouTube video in Final Cut, but also how to do a vertical for Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, any of those platforms. So let's just go. First, let's export our widescreen project for YouTube. So you can go to the top right and press Export File, rename your file, go to Settings, make sure it's at Apple devices, and then select the highest resolution. Mine's 1920 by 1080, and you can press Save. And then we're going to duplicate the project to make it vertical. So we can just right click on our project and go duplicate project as, and then make sure we select vertical instead of 1080p HD. And then we can do a higher resolution, 1080 by 1920 is what I really like to keep that quality high. And then rename it, press next. And now you've got your reformatted video in vertical format. So you want to change that text to make it look good in the vertical format. Always render your video before you export, and then you can go to the top right again and press export. We can make sure it's to Apple devices, faster encode. You can also select better quality if you have a little more time, 1080p by 1920, and then press next and save. So now we're going to duplicate the project one more time as a square format, and we just want to select square and then make sure it's 1080 by 1080. So if we click into our square, again, you want to reformat the text to look good in square, render like always, and export. And now you have 3 pieces of content adapted for every social platform: square, widescreen, and vertical. I hope that was helpful. If you like these types of videos, or if you have editing questions, leave them in the comments below. I will list a playlist of all the other tutorials that I've done on Final Cut Pro, and they're all under 2 minutes. You can learn really quickly. I make videos every 2 weeks, so I'll see you guys back here in 2 weeks. And don't forget to subscribe.